Hey everyone, Futures Trader Elite here. I'm going to go over this play. I've been kind of waiting for an inversion long type play or strong rebound play all day, and we're going to try to get a good lick in this 150k eval. Got my orders set in place, as you can see down there at the bottom of the screen. I don't intend on touching it. I'm going to let it play out and see what happens. Try to get 30 plus points of a bounce. Of course, I would prefer this thing pick up all my orders if I can. It's been during the pre-market prep this morning, I was talking about how I expected them to pull this back. Today it just seemed like we needed a down day, especially after pushing all-time highs and filling our measured move and then surpassing 24,000 a little bit there. So I've taken some pretty good trades today. Posted a short already of I made locked in just over like 2K on a zone box play. Not the zone box here, but the one above it. I shorted it. Picked up a play at the bottom of it and went long all in one trade. Should check that out. As you can see, they're slowly but surely picking up my orders. My luck is going to go against me probably, and then I'll be in 15 deep before it's over with probably. But I don't mind, it's just an eval. I'm willing to put up some risk in this area. I know that there's not much on the screen right here. I've been going back and forth looking between different charts. There is a lot of support right here in this area. That's why I had all them orders set there. Not enough for me to throw a zone box on there quite yet, but I figured it was a good spot for me to put up some risk and see how it plays out. And as you can see, there it is. I ended up with 15 but got out of 5 pretty fast. Sometimes I do okay holding these for a long period of time. Sometimes I just want to get out of them really fast. Excuse me. I locked in like 3K, a little over 3K on this trade, and then it just seemed like it wanted to keep going. That's why it's so important to wait for your levels. I almost blew this eval today because I was just trading, scalping, and getting chopped out, and I got tired of it. And so I looked back through some other charts and to the left of the screen, and I found some spots that I expected that we could see this bounce or invert. You really don't call this inversion long. This ain't really what inversion long really looks like to set up at, but it was a really good trade, and it's just looking for those areas of confluence and price and see if you can find some support and everything. We locked in, I think it was like 33 on that maybe, but as you can see further up on my screen, I got a blue line. It says break and retest. You can see on the left where it dropped down from that line to that zone box, chopped around, come up and hit it and sucked back down. That was a good short zone. And then my second short zone in it was when it tested it a third time where that downward trend line is and that blue break and retest line. I took a short right there. You can have a lot more confidence in the trades you're taking when you can mark your chart out and see a game plan on the screen instead of second guessing yourself or scalping or sniping. I mean, I've been a scalper for a long time. Sniping, you got to be constantly getting at it, and if one goes against you, then you hang around and try to get it back, and it goes a little more against you, and then you get a good one and get it all back, or might be break even, but then you want a little more, so you're a little more green and then you're back red. That's part of what scalping is. But you get these spots on your chart like we have here, you guys can really make a difference with your trading. I know it's helped me tremendously. Also, I've done some worksheets and some other PDF stuff for the Future Trader Blueprint book. For anybody that's thought about getting it or does have it, we're going to be adding some things to that so you can download some worksheets. I may raise the price on it, but the people that already got it, you can automatically go in and get the sheets I'm adding to it. You know, for more content like this, like and subscribe to the channel. You can get, if you get the FTE bundle, is back on Gumroad. It gets the Ninja Trader 8 indicators, the Future Trader blueprint, and access to the Discord. And here coming up soon, I may run like over the weekend. I don't know yet, but I may open the Discord up for 3 days and put a free invite out there for the weekend, maybe across 72 hours. I hadn't made up my mind yet, but I may do that, so be on the lookout for that. And if anybody ever has any questions, you know, send me a DM or comment on the YouTube channel or on what video, and then I can try to explain anything or make another video to go over something for you if I can. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you guys on NQ pre-market prep tomorrow morning. I'll put that out sometime in the morning, and good luck to everyone. Have a good day.